Hi everyone. Imagine a computer so powerful it could solve puzzles in seconds that would take today's machines millions of years. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's quantum computing and it's coming fast. Today, we are going to explore how this new tech is rising and how it will change the world. From phones to medicines to secret codes, quantum computers could flip everything upside down. Ready to see how? Let's jump in. It's going to be awesome. First, let's talk about regular computers, like the one in your laptop or phone. They use tiny switches called bits. A bit is simple, it's either a 0 or a 1. Everything your computer does, games, videos, emails, is just tons of zeros and ones working together. Now, quantum computers. They are totally different. They use something called qubits. Qubits aren't just 0 or 1, they can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. It's like spinning a coin in the air. While it's spinning its head and it stays until it lands. This trick lets quantum computers try lots of answers all at once, not one by one like regular computers. That's why they are so fast at certain things. So how do they pull this off? It's all about weird science called quantum mechanics. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Quantum mechanics is just how tiny things like atoms act. Two big ideas make qubits special. First is superposition. That's the coin spinning thing. Qubits can be in many states at once. If a regular computer has 2 bits, it can only try 4 combos one at a time. 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. But qubits, they can be all 4 at the same time, add more qubits, and the power goes crazy fast. Second is entanglement. This is like magic. When qubits get tangled, changing one instantly changes the other, even if they are far apart. It's like having two dice that always roll the same number no matter where they are. These tricks make quantum computers super strong for special jobs. Okay, so why does this matter? Regular computers are great for everyday stuff, browsing the web, sending texts, but some problems are too big. Think about cracking secret codes, designing new medicines, or predicting the weather a year from now. Those take tons of steps and regular computers choke on them. Quantum computers shine here. For example, they could break the codes that keep our online banking safe in minutes. Stuff that would take normal machines longer than the universe has been around. Or imagine testing a million drug ideas at once to find one that beats cancer. They could even help build better batteries or figure out how to stop climate change. They are not for everything, but for the big, messy stuff, they are the game changers. Let's check in. Where are quantum computers today, March 20th, 2025? They are real, but they are not in your house yet. Big companies like Google, IBM, and some startups are building them. A few years ago, Google said their quantum computer solved a problem in 200 seconds that would take a regular supercomputer 10,000 years. Cool, right? But here's the catch. These machines are still babies. They are super picky. Qubits stop working if it's too warm or noisy. So they live in freezers colder than outer space. And they make mistakes a lot. Scientists call this noisy phase of quantum computing. We have got small ones with a handful of qubits. But to really change the world, we need bigger, better ones. We are getting there step by step. So, what happens when quantum computers go up? Let's dream a bit. First, cybersecurity. Those secret codes we use online, quantum computers could crack them fast. That's scary, but it also means we will invent new, tougher codes to stay safe. Next, medicine. Imagine doctors using quantum power to design drugs perfectly matched to your body, curing stuff we can't fix now. In tech, they could make AI way smarter, helping it learn faster and solve harder problems. Even stuff like traffic. Quantum computers could figure out the best routes for every car in a city at once. No more jams. And for science, they could copy how nature works, like how plants use sunlight, so we can build better solar panels. The possibilities are huge. But it's not all smooth sailing. Building quantum computers is hard. They need to stay super cold, and even a tiny bump can mess them up. Plus, we need more qubits, hundreds or thousands to do the really big jobs, and they are expensive. Only big companies and labs can afford them now. What's next? Scientists are racing to fix these problems. They are making qubits tougher and machines less picky. Some think in 10-20 years, quantum computers could be normal in labs or businesses. Others say it will take longer. Either way, every year they get a little better. It's like the early days of regular computers, clunky at first, but look at them now. So, how will quantum computing change technology? It's already rising and it's going to shake things up. It won't replace your laptop, but for the toughest problems, codes, medicine, climate, it's a superhero. Right now in 2025, we are at the start of something big. It's not perfect yet, but it's going fast. Think about this. 50 years ago, computers filled whole rooms and did less than your phone does today. Quantum computing could be that next giant leap. It's about solving stuff we can't even dream of yet. Thanks for sticking with me. I will see you in the quantum future, whatever that looks like.